Good evening, and welcome to the resume preparation session. It's Thursday again, and here we are with the resume preparation session by 360DigiTMG. Remember, during your demo session, we had said that we will be having resume preparation session, exclusive resume preparation session, and this session is just a part of it. Now, today's topic is tailoring resume customization strategies. Now, the question that goes is, what do we have in agenda? In agenda, we see why we'll customize our resume. We'll understand the job description. We'll talk about understanding the job description. We'll talk about crafting a targeted summary or objective. We'll talk about showcasing relevant experience. We'll talk about incorporating relevant skills and keywords, highlighting relevant education and certifications, and your path to standout resume. We'll be talking about it. Now, the question is why customize your resume? Well, customizing your resume helps you to first stand out by what? Stand out by what? Stand out by increasing the ATS compatibility to relevant keywords. It is very important to have ATS friendly resume, right? Application tracking system, we call it. And when we are talking about it, uses keywords and it gives scores. We need to make sure that you mention all those keywords in your resume to make it ATS friendly. Of course, when you talk about customizing your resume, you highlight your relevant skills and experience too. You demonstrate your genuine interest in job. Just think of it. You actually customizing your resume, customizing the uh, again professional summary with respect to the job that you're applying for, then it's really good. Differentiating from generic application, it just differentiates your resume, your custom made resume from generic applications. Now, talking about understanding the job description, what we need to do, we need to understand the job description to align our resume with the employer's need. What do we do need to do here? We need to identify key skills and qualifications. What are the key skills and qualifications the recruiter is searching for? And we need to use specific keywords from job description. We need to reflect company's values and culture in a resume. It's already given in the company website or company's job description. When we see, it gives that flow. And here, we talk about crafting a targeted summary or objective. We talked about professional summary, and we say create a strong first impression by reflecting the job title and key qualifications. We we mention the company's name. Make sure that you mention in your resume company's name. Now think of it. You have a resume. A recruiter has a resume in his hand. One person has mentioned this professional summary, the vague professional summary, and there's another person who has mentioned the company's name. What do you think? Who will be preferred? Clearly, the person having the company name will be preferred. Now, showcasing top relevant achievements. Make sure that you showcase the top achievements that you have. Showcasing relevant experience. When we talk about when we talk about relevant experience, we showcase it by matching the past job title and responsibilities to the new role. For example, if you're applying for data scientist, if you are previously data scientist, you clearly match that job title with the next job title and responsibilities, of course. Using action verbs and quantifying achievements. You use action verbs and you quantify achievements, right? How do you do that? You use action verbs. Action verbs again are those verbs which actually promote action. For example, rather than saying was leading the team by a team of 10 people, you can just say I led the team of 10 people. There we go. Led action verb. Right. Now these are type of words you need to use. You need to focus on duties aligned with the job description. Right. Make sure that you're focusing on duties and you're aligning it with the job description that you have. That will create a really good impact on the recruiter. Talking about incorporating relevant skills and keywords. So make sure that you are increasing your visibility by using keywords from job description, listing both hard skills and soft skills. When you use keywords in the job description, of course, job description has a lot of keywords that are really important for the particular job. What you do, you use those keywords for job description. You list both hard and soft skills. You position key skills prominently. Make sure you're positioning those key skills prominently. And after that, we talk about highlighting relevant education and certifications. Now, you need to emphasize the suitability of your resume by first highlighting relevant courses and projects. Right. Make sure that you highlight relevant courses and project. You list matching certifications. You mention ongoing education in the field, right? And when you do that, you actually highlight the relevant education and certification. Now, how to make a standout resume? How to make a really, really good resume? What do you do? Refine your resume regularly. How do you refine that? By proofreading it thoroughly. Thoroughly proofread your whatever you content you have in your resume. You optimize for ATS and applicant tracking system. Seek feedback. When you seek feedback, it's really important you get the feedback, you get the information about your resume. Maintain a master resume. Now, what you need to do is you maintain a master resume, and after that, make sure you're creating many resumes that are actually part of master resume so that you can customize that as and when it is required. Staying updated with industry trend. Make sure you're doing that. Make sure you're staying updated with whatever trends we have in the industry now. Now, when we're talking about all those things, we'll talk about few famous job portals. Here are the few famous job portals. For example, it's Naukri.com, there's Shine.com, Picker Jobs, Indeed, Monster. All these things are famous job portals. Now, when we talk about data science jobs, here we have again a few Google search results. We have, for example, there are various data scientist jobs, freshers jobs in Bengaluru or in India. You can just see like this. You can search for your location and you'll get many data scientist jobs. Now, what are keywords for data scientist resume? Here there are some keywords like there are technical skills and tools. Here you can mention this analytical skills, business understanding, and data management and soft skills. You mention all of these. Right? Once you mention all of these, your keywords will be your quote of keywords will be completed. It will be really, really good. It will be reflected in a really, really good way in your resume. Now, talking about frequently asked questions, we always come up with a question that you need to ponder upon. And the question here is describe a challenging project that you worked on. What is a challenging project that you worked on? How do you stay updated with industry trends? Give an example of a goal you set and how you achieved it. Describe a time when you had to work with a difficult team member. What do you do if you make a mistake and no one has noticed? What do you do then? You need to ponder upon these questions. These questions are really, really important. Make sure you're doing that. Make sure you're thinking about it and answering the same. Now, Mr. Isabel Left clearly said, your passion is waiting for your courage to catch up. It's very, very clear, right? Now make sure that you're courageous enough to do all those things. Talking about contact, you can contact us on this toll free number. You can mail us at inquiry@360DigiTMG.com. 360DigiTMG.com. We have offline centers at Hyderabad, Bengaluru, and Chennai. We have, again, you can, when you're watching this video, you can pause this video here. You can follow us on Instagram, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and yes, follow us on LinkedIn. We have accreditation to international certification bodies. We have Microsoft, State University of New York, Feature Skills Prime, Panasonic, and TCS. Again, all these we have here. We are in partnership. Now, while we are here, let me take you to our new gift to the community. That is the Resume Optimization Hub. Now, let me take you to the website, a beautiful, beautiful website, and you'll see we'll talk about the Resume Optimization Hub. Here we go. Here, this is a beautiful website. When we talk about our website, here we partner with our industry leaders. Our popular courses are here. We talk about our domain analytics courses that we have. We talk about our differentiators. You can read what our alumni think of us, and you can read about their success story. You can connect with them on LinkedIn, right? And of course, we know our alumni work at big companies. So yes, you can contact them, right? Now, while you're here, you can go to learning resources. Of course, you can go to mind maps. Mind maps are really important for easy internalization of concepts. And when you are when you are seeing learning resources, you can actually see what you want to learn today. You can tailor your next 30 minutes of discovery. You can go for micro learning every single day. And yes, tomorrow we have data science free internship program. You can explore your data science skills in free internship at 7 p.m. again. Right. After this, you can see core learning resources where we talk about skill development and enhancement. We have deep learning, digital learning library. We have AI design studio for machine learning. We have data skills assessment. All these things you have. You can open this book and you can read about this book completely. Right. A lot of pages we have that is if you revise this completely every single day, you will be in a really, really good position to answer data science questions. We have AI design studio for ML, for example. When you're doing project, we have a really good data or project architecture where we make it for beginner, intermediate, and advanced, someone who's at advanced level. This architecture is really, really good and it will be really worth adding to your resume. This means the experience that you have will be of immense importance. Now, when we talk about all these things, we talk about learning resources, we talked about it. And yes, the third thing we have data skills assessment. You can go there and test your skills. When we talk about career advancement and professional growth, we have resume optimization hub. When you go there, you polish your resume and you can get started for free. You can read about a resume optimization hub here. Well, I'll be giving you a demo of the resume optimization hub, right? Now, after all these thing is done, you can again here you can connect with the employers. You have talent connection portal. You can just connect to the employers here. We are updating the same. We talked about job description, job vacancies that we have. You can clearly see what are the job description we have, job vacancies we have, and that is really, really good, right? Make sure that you are actually doing all these things and applying through us. And if you are our student and you are applying through us and you're getting job through us, you will be getting 5,000 rupees as our appreciation token of appreciation. Now, after this part is done, we have conceptual understanding, insightful learning. We have already seen strategic mind learning maps. We have innovative project showcase where we explore the project. Of course, we read about the project and animated insight series we have. After all these things, once we are done with it, of course, you can explore our different jobs, or different options we have. Now, let's talk about resume optimization hub when we are talking about here, resume optimizer, right? What we do here in resume optimization hub is we go to a resume optimization hub first and we polish our resume. When we talk about polishing our resume, we say we get started for free. And when you get started for free, you can upload your resume. For example, here we are uploading an intern's resume, and here you can paste a job description. We did the same thing, and here, yes, we did the same thing. We uploaded the job description, and we got a keyword matching result. Once we got a keyword matching result, you will see here what are job skills matching in your resume and what are the job skills present in your resume. And of course, you're using that. You can actually prepare for interview using these interview questions that you have here. When you click on any one of them and you click here, you get the interview questions. How to improve your resume? You can generate your resume. Click on the missing skills. And yes, you can generate your resume here. While we are generating, of course, it takes a bit moment. It is generating it in its full capacity. And yes, you have to wait a bit. And after that, you get a beautiful resume. At the very same time, there are different formats that you can use for the same. Now, till the time it's uploading, we are here. We can see all those options. We can explore other options too, right? Now, here you fill the details to generate your resume, all the details, and yes, you select the template, which template you want to select. And after that, you continue to generate your resume. When you're generating resume, you can also generate the cover letter. Once all this part is done, you can send the same to your recruiter, right? Now, so this is today really good thing, and this is our contribution to the community. This is our gift to the community. Now, when we're talking about all these things, you're watching this video on YouTube. make sure you subscribe our channel on YouTube, our YouTube channel, and we go to the playlist course, playlist section. When you go to the playlist section, you'll see that we have plethora of videos for you, and there are videos from different domains. You have videos on SQL, Power BI, Python. All those videos are available for free for your learning. Make sure that you're doing that. You can visit us on LinkedIn and follow us on LinkedIn too. Right. So for today, let's stop this session. I hope you learned a lot from this session. And yes, we'll meet again next week. Till that time, take care, team. Bye.